In this video, we will be looking at how to install a Rusco Smart Actuator. First, search for Smart Life in your phone or tablet's App Store. Then install and open the app. Allow notifications in order to receive important information from your smart device. You can log into an existing account or create your own free account here. Having a user account is recommended as it allows you to pull up your saved smart products on other devices. It also allows you to create automated scenes. Now you can allow the app to access your Bluetooth, which will make the setup process easier. Make sure your actuator is plugged in and press and hold the red button for 5 seconds. The arm should start articulating and the LED light will begin blinking to let you know it is in pairing mode. On your app, tap Add Device, and if you enabled Bluetooth connection, it should find it for you. Now assign the network you want the actuator to be connected to. Check your router's manual to see if it has dual band mode, or see if you need to change your router settings from 5 GHz to 2.4. Type the password and tap Next, and Smart Life will connect the actuator to your app. To attach the actuator to your ball valve, simply place the articulating arm over the lever. Make sure the actuator articulates in the right direction to close the lever. Also be sure to line up the center of the actuator with the quarter-turn valve axis. Now you can slide the 2 clamps through the slots of the mounting arm and tighten to the pipe. To operate the arm manually, pull down on the key ring under the unit and it will move freely. To link your actuator with other smart products like Rusco Smart Leak Detector, tap Scene at the bottom of the app and create a new scene. Now tap to Run. Now you can create a scenario if your leak detector's alarm sounds, then close the actuator. This will automatically close your actuator when a leak is detected. For more information on setting up scenes in the Smart Life app, check out our Smart System Setup video.